Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching some TV, and just in case you don't know, I always include Shelly is because we made this channel together. We did camping and stuff. It's winter time, so we're not doing that much camping, and there's a lot of snow out, so I can't really do too much to the camper. That's our bread and butter, but hey, I got into cubing, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I always like to include her because that was my intro. So, in case you didn't know, I made a cube bag the other day, and I made a video of it so you can get to it. But what I wanted to show you is I had this case. Sometimes you have stuff laying around that fits perfectly onto a project you're doing, and this right here, it's a nice. I used to have my cables in there, my charger. I was searching something about the timer, and I saw that timer fit in this nice case, and I said they didn't make that case just for that timer, and I think I have one that size, and bam, I did have one that size, and I could fit my timer in there, and it's nice and protected, and I can put, if I needed that cable to come with, I can put that cable in there, and cool, nice. So that case came in handy, and it fits in there very nice. I mean, it's a snug fit, but it fits in there. And it has this strap right here to hold it down, so when you open it up, it won't just fall out. So nice. So now I have a case, so either I can put it in, or I can strap it onto the side. Like when I'm at a competition, strap it onto the side, and I have it ready in case I need it. So nice. So I wanted to show you that, and a couple things. I made my own cubicle patch. See that? I have Velcro and Velcro here, down here, and I said I need a patch. So what I did was cut it to this shape, and then my package was just delivered. I just got a notification. I mailed the package to thecubicle.com, and it just got there today. I mailed it yesterday, but I did it, one day mail, and it just got there. It is that project I was working on. And that project, not to change the subject, but the project is something elaborate. And I just didn't send him the prototype of the project. It was a completed prototype, and I wanted to dress it up really nice. But I didn't have a box for it because none of the boxes that my cubes came in and my all my Mega Mix came in were too small, so the modifications I did to it made it bigger. And I found a nice box that came with my Verizon tower. I used my Cricut to make some nice design on it, and it fit in there nicely. And I bought some packaging material so I can put it around so it won't move around, and dressed it up. And I put some of my another project. I put a sample of that in there, and you probably laugh at me, but I even gave him some cube socks and wrapped that up. And so it's a little elaborate, and it came with some directions and some hints. So I wanted to just not give him a project. I wanted to spruce it up to show him what it can look like if it's on their shelf. It's a pitch. They could accept the pitch, or they might not accept the pitch. Who knows? So if they accept it, hopefully we can get somebody to manufacture it, and it can be on the shelf soon. Hopefully. And hopefully they accept my first project, which is a board game I did all about speed cubing. And it's done. I just need to play test it because I've been play testing it on myself. I have no one to play with. So I need to have someone to play test it with. I like to get somebody normal to play test it because that's a different type of play testing. See if it goes with people that are not speed cubers, because I think it will. Right now, I want to play test it with speed cubers, and if that works, play test it with people that are not speed cubers. So hopefully they get that package, and they can email me soon. Hopefully, who knows? Hopefully they like the prototype. And I also gave them 2 mugs too, 2 Gonzo Book mugs. So hopefully they like that. So that's my patch that I made, Velcro, and it goes right there. So I like this bag because you can fit a lot of cubes in there. Just check out the video. You can put your name on there to identify yourself. And I have U.S. Army right now, but I could make the Gonzo Book, so they know if somebody picks up the bag by accident, go, oh, that's not my bag, it belongs to the Gonzo Book. I added this, my gang keychain, and that thing, and then I also added this. Look at that. The way I made this, I can put it through a strap, and now when I have it on my shoulder, the cubicle.com shows up on my shoulder if I have it strapped around me. But now you're gonna say, where did I get that embroidered thing this is what I did. Don't get mad at me, guys. Cuban USA All-Star 2025. This was a great sweatshirt. It has Rubik on the side here, but I cut the sleeve off to get this thing right here. Because on this sleeve it had the cubicle.com. So there's $40 down the drain. I can still use this. I don't like sleeveless anything. I don't like to wear sleeveless. But for me not to throw this away, I'll just cut this side and wear it when I go hiking or something. When I have layers. So, but then I can always cut that Rubik logo out and I can make that into like a patch. So there you have it. That's my cubicle. Tighten it up here. And I have it on the back. If you can see everything. So cool. So I'm going to take this to New York with me. I'm going to go see Tingman, so I can put stuff in there to give out to the kids. So when I go to Tingman in New York, and there's going to be a lot of kids there, so I want to, and this is just a plan, I have an email out to try to figure out how I'm going to do it with the cubicle.com. I plan on giving out, this is what I plan on doing, set aside $200 and I'm going to buy $10 gift cards from the cubicle, $150, $130, $120. That adds up to $200. And what I'm going to do is have 13 cards. I would make 13 cards and they're all going to be the same. So if somebody recognizes us while we're there, hey, that's the Gonzo Book, they're going to get a card. They can pick it on their own. They're going to pick at least 10%, so everybody's going to be a winner. But they might get to 20. There's 120, 130, and 150. First, second, and third prizes, and then the 10 or the other prizes. So you get 10%, 30%, 20%, 30%, 50%. 50%, actually it's not percentage. I'm sorry, it's not percentage. It's $50. So it'd be $50, $30 gift card, $20 gift card, and then $10 gift card. So it's not a percentage. It's which I think it might even be better. It's the dollar. So to get a $50 gift card from the cubicle, you can get a nice cube. You can get a V100 plus. In that card, I'm going to have my discount code too, Gonzo, Gonzo. Discount code. You get an additional 5%. So you get 50. If you win the top prize, it would be 50 and an additional 5% off. So that's what I plan on doing, but I have to ask permission if I can do that because I don't want to step on people's toes. That is the cubicle's domain, and that is Tingman's domain. And I don't want to go there and step on nobody's toes. Now, how am I going to step on Tingman's toes? That'd be impossible because he has over 1 million subscribers. I think he has like 1.5 million. If I'm not mistaken, it could be more. Yeah, so I don't want to pester people or whatever. If somebody recognizes us, they're going to get a card. Now, if nobody recognizes or only a few people recognize us, that's fine. At the end, it's going to be a meet and greet with Tingman, and then I just start giving them out. And of course, I just ordered a sweatshirt with the Gonzo Book on it, and also the in the back it says, it's very neat. I might put it up here, just a picture of it. And this is not an official The Cubicle bag. It's something that I got from somewhere else, and I made a cube bag myself. So like I said, I have this on my strap, the Cubicle, and I have this for my my timer. This just decoration. my name. I'm going to have the Gonzo Book right here. I have the Cubicle logo, and then I have American flag, because when you go to a Cuban competition or a Cuban event, there's going to be people there from other countries. So inside, there is a lot of room. There's my other Mega Mix, and you see that sock? It's in the cube sock. Those are called cube socks, and they protect your cube from scratches. And because some of these cubes don't come with cases, like this one particularly didn't come with a case. Very nice cube, but it don't come with a case. So you want to protect it, so you have your sock on it, protected from scratches. And like my fur core, it's an expensive cube. It's not cheap, so I want to protect it. So I have a cube sock on it. My V100. See, you have the logo on top so you can see which cube it is. You take it. If you need to take it out, it takes 2 seconds. You need to put it back in. Put the yellow in the bottom, and then you put it right back on. So I know a lot of people are going to say, well, that's stupid. But it is what it is, right? You got to start a trend somewhere. And, you know, I was thinking about putting the logo right here. These are called toe toppers, by the way. And they fit the cubes perfectly. And they fit the, as you can see, my Mega Mix over here that I just saw today fits in there perfectly. So, and then you can see which cube was the logo. And I just got these socks the other day, my 2x2s in there. And I just put a whole bunch of, like I said, I just sent some to the Cubicle. I sent 3 of them, and then I wrapped them up with our logo and something that said tube sock. Because they're not going to know what it is. So, and I wrapped it up tube sock to make it look like it's an official product. It still has room for maybe a tablet. It has room for some snacks. Like I said, this is a Moly type bag, military bag. So they don't have like a mesh thing over here to put your drinks. You have to buy like an extra Moly drink holder over here, and then you can put your drink. And over here you can put, you know, your tripod or whatever. You can strap your tripod in there. So there you have it. I got my patches, and I got this thing which I'm going to work on some more right now. And I'm going to order some more of those. Did I tell you where I got that embroidered? It's from the Cubicle pouch. So if you type in, you go to Cubicle, type in Cubicle embroidered pouch. The black one's going to show up. I just bought 3 more, so in case I wanted to make some more patches or something. So put it right here. You know, like if I have a sweatshirt with my logo on it, and I still wanted to represent the Cubicle, I can just put the patch on. That's all I have. If you have any questions, put it down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
+2, whole table shouting. +2, no doubt about it. Solving, clean, racing, bite. One last time, say it tonight.